Yeah.
So it might be easier for me to get the mainline train. Listen.
Yeah.
To get the mainline train, you get the like 9:40, so I don't have to get out of Egham. Friday. Do you see what I mean?
You better find out where it is though. What part White City? Is it Shepherd's Bush?
We can go to anywhere, can't we?
Yeah, that's true.
We can always just go to Turnham Green.
Yeah.
But it would take me 40 minutes to get to yours if I drive.
No, don't drive, get a train.
So you might as well just go over ground.
Yeah.
Right.
No,
that's all I wanted to say, to get the 9:34, I think it is.
Alright. To where?
London Waterloo. We'll get off at Richmond and get the district. Don't you go to Hammersmith then get the other line to White City?
Where am I going to for a start?
Well, I don't know yet.
Alright,
I'll get the main line because it's the only way I can get out of Egham.
Yeah, okay. No problem.
I don't know if we do White City or... I don't know yet.
Alright then.
Because I don't know how to get there. Is White City far away?
Well, if you get to Richmond, get the district line to Hammersmith.
Yeah.
Then cross the road.
Yeah.
And you get a train there to Shepherd's to White City.
And how long will that take from Feltham? 40 minutes?
No, I don't know. About an hour, I'd say, because if you don't know it that well.
Let's do that then.
Alright then. Tell me on the phone anyway, or
yeah, I just don't have to get. I'll phone them, see how to get there.
Alright then.
But I didn't want to carry this on the train.
No, don't do that.
It's not much, anyway.
No, I don't want
see
much.
You,
don't want anything.
I'll phone you at the weekend. Thanks.
I hope your phone's alright. Keep an eye on that clock, make sure it don't go in. It shouldn't go in now, it should be alright.
Oh look, what's that? Is that being recorded now?
Yeah.
How does it record?
I don't know, I just flagged it in. No, it's going forward.
If I wave, can Julian see it?
Yeah.
Alright.